I will never look at $10 the same way. After learning this, exposing the millionaire math hidden in your daily coffee budget. Here's how you could turn pocket change into $1 million. Let's break it down. If you invest just $10 a day in the S&P 500, America's top 500 companies, you're putting away $300 a month. Doesn't sound like much, right? But here's where the magic of compound interest does its thing. Historically, the S&P 500 has averaged about a 10% annual return over the long term. So, you let your $10 a day grow, no get-rich-quick schemes, just patience and time. In 35 years, that small daily habit adds up. With compounding, your total investment would grow to over $1 million. Seriously, just by stacking $10 bills, like skipping one fancy coffee a day or takeout a day, you could retire a millionaire. Let's do the simple math. $10 times 365 days times 35 years. That's $127,750 of your own money. But thanks to compound growth, you're not just saving, you're multiplying. The rest? That's your money making money. So next time you think, what's 10 bucks? Remember, it could be your ticket to financial freedom. Start small, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. $10 a day, 35 years, $1 million. The math doesn't lie, and neither does your future self. Ready to let your money work for you? Hit subscribe for more select facts.